Welcome to this guided meditation for reducing stress and reclaiming peace in your daily life. In this short session of around 15 minutes, we'll gently guide the mind back to stillness, helping you gain perspective on the small worries that often overwhelm us. Together, we'll focus on becoming more conscious of our thoughts, learning to pause and asking, is this really worth my energy? I'll guide you through calming breathwork, a visualization, and a reflection on the mind's impulses. The goal is not to silence your thoughts, but to detach from the ones that don't serve you. To remind yourself that you are in charge, not your stress and not your worries. Let's begin. Bring yourself into a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and let your hands rest on your knees or in your lap. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to settle. Invite stillness into this moment. Inhale gently through your nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath for 4. Exhale softly through your nose for 4. Hold the breath out for 4. Let's repeat this for 4 rounds together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now return to your natural breath, but with awareness. Just notice the inhale, the exhale, and the space in between. Now, bring your attention to your thoughts. Notice how they come and go, some fleeting, some louder, more persistent. Ask yourself gently, is this thought important? Will this still matter in a week, a month, a year? We often let small worries live rent-free in our heads, controlling our energy, our mood, our peace. But most of these worries are just passing weather, not permanent storms. You are not your thoughts, you are the observer, the stillness behind the noise. Ask yourself now, what is truly worth my peace? Most of the things we stress about are just habits of the mind. But you are not here to be controlled by your minds. You are here to learn to lead it. Let your mind know, I see you, I acknowledge you, but I choose what matters. Imagine now you're standing at the base of a great tall mountain. This mountain is solid, unmoving. It represents you, your presence, your deeper self. Now see a small pebble rolling down from above. It makes a little noise, a little commotion, but it's just a pebble. This pebble is your worry, your stress. And compared to the mountain, it is nothing. Watch as it rolls and eventually stops. The mountain remains steady, unaffected. You are that mountain, calm, rooted, awake. Take a moment to repeat silently to yourself, I am not my worries. I am not my passing thoughts. I choose what lives in my mind. I am present. I am aware. I am free. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and gently open your eyes when you're ready. As you return to the rhythm of your day, take this peace with you. Remember, you are not your worries. You are not here to be consumed by the noise of the mind. You are here to witness it, learn from it, and rise above it. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, you can come back to this space. You can take a breath, step back, and choose presence over pressure. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Take this moment with you and return anytime you need stillness. You deserve it. Namaste.